So this year we're starting a no-till garden. This year we tilled, next year we will not be. So we built up these beds, and we then added cardboard, and then we've got some store-bought compost that we've added to the top. Not the best compost, but good enough to build the beds. And of course we've added some fertilizer. I'm wetting down the cardboard so that it'll interact directly with the soil a little better. Here's what it looks like with the flowers planted, and I am digging through the cardboard to plant the flowers. This is what it looks like a few months, or about a month afterwards. You can see the dahlias and the corn. These dahlias are grown from seed, and we got these flowers here on a border, and you can see our pepper plants here, and then some basil, and that's what we have going.